What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing, I'm not even sure what it's called, to be honest with you. I think it's a traveling straight pour-ish. I don't know. We're just going to have fun with it. So the colors we're using are, we have a light green, we have titanium white, we have a fluorescent pink, but I added some Vallejo pearl medium to it. So now it almost has a bubblegum look to it. It's pretty cool. Silver, and then a magenta. And we're just gonna layer them in the cup. There's no oil in any of these colors, so it's basically just pouring medium and paint. So, but yeah, the whole idea of this one, we just have fun. We're not looking to get anything, any technical results or nothing crazy. We're just here to have a good time. And that's what we're gonna do. So, how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you're having a wonderful day, because I am having a wonderful day getting to do what I love to do with you lovely people. Heck yeah. And since in my head I'm just going to be kind of pouring this in, you know, a circular-ish fashion, kind of. So I'm kind of, you know, just trying to get some decent sized layers. I don't know if green's a great idea right there. I don't think it would hurt anything. But to be safe, whenever I'm not sure about the way colors are going to play, I always try to put something neutral between them. That it does two things. It'll maintain the vibrancy of that individual color so it doesn't get dulled out and muted out by all the others. But it also helps me not create any kind of bad color interactions and create mud. So we just have that little swath of green in there. I like it. All right. But that is normally how I try to avoid having, you know, bad color combinations. Because some colors really just don't like each other, but they're beautiful colors. They just don't play well together. But I think we're gonna have a good one today. We just have that one little stripe of green going through there. I think that's gonna look really nice. All right, let's go. So, I mean, the idea is I'm not flipping it. I'm kind of just gonna let it spill over the edge. So I'm choosing a spot on the cup that I already see some lines coming up towards the top. So when I do start to pour, you see how that line, it's already gonna start creating colored and lines and dimensions to it. And that's the idea anyway. So right now it's more of a traditional straight pour. But the idea was to go and just create some cool lines and effects. Some different types of ribboning going through it. And get some really nice colors. Right now I'm just trailing this little stream of all these colors together. Just to create something interesting going on in the center. And I already like it, to be honest with you. I think it looks really cool. I'm getting some cell effects popping up where that silver was. That's pretty nifty. All right, let's see. Let's get this paint somewhere where I think it'll look nice. And a light spin. Because I want to keep a lot of the detail in this. The green came out really, really nice. Very happy with that. So we have a couple spots that it had a little bit of a harder time getting over the edge, so it's an easy fix. I'm just going to take some of this excess from the bottom and just touch it up. I really like how vibrant everything stayed though. Really do. All right, so we just adjusted that little bit. Let's check all the sides, make sure it's good coverage throughout. And we got some pretty good coverage going on. So I'm gonna give it one last little light spin just to take off a little excess. Not very much. I'm not trying to spin the heck out of it. But I really like the way it looks right now. Love the really flowy designs that are going throughout. The green, even though we used a very, very small amount of it, where we put it in the cup dictated that it was going to pretty much take over a lot of the canvas. But we have some really awesome stuff going on. So I really would love to bring you guys down here. Check this thing out for yourselves because it is gorgeous. So many little delicate things that are happening within this. And all the colors stayed really vibrant. I actually like this a lot. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.